from grade 1 of Adaya. Today, I will recite a poem called A Lovely Morning. A lovely morning. What is a lovely morning? The sun smiles at me. A lovely morning, it is when birds up in the tree. A lovely morning is a hug from Mother Dear. When the cock crows to say, morning is here. The wind and snakes, birds and